Well, here we are, November the 29th. Harvested an absolute pig this morning. This buck just happens to be 6.5 or 7.5 years old. Aaron Bennett and I had an encounter with him 3 years ago. We thought him 4.5 at that point. He may have been 3.5, but we thought him 4.5. And he's still residing on the same 60-acre parcel, which I find absolutely amazing that he made it through so many gun seasons, but he sure did. And we just happened to get lucky.